Good morning, everyone. Let's continue this chapter, the continuation of this section. So, we are now in 3.3.2, God's front line and Satan's front line, all at the full of the first human ancestors, God's side and Satan's side. Parted ways for a single point. This divided reality is consolidated separately, the Cain type and the Abel type worlds, which eventually matured to form the democratic world and communist world. When these two worlds came into global conflict, it was centered on the Korean Peninsula. Religions, ideologies, political forces, and economic system all came into conflict and caused great confusion in Korean society, which then had worldwide impact. So, the object partner of God's heart. Number one, path of blood, sweat, and tears. To become the object of partners of God's heart, we must first walk of a path of blood, sweat, and tears. Number two, the nation qualified to stand as the object partner of God's heart must be a people of goodness. The homogeneous Korean people rarely invaded other nations. And number three, the Korean people are by nature endowed with a religious character. They have evinced a strong desire to worship God and always revere the virtues of loyalty, filial piety, and chastity. So, Messianic prophecies, the Korean people have believed in the prophecy that the righteous king will appear and found a glorious and everlasting kingdom in their land. The Messianic idea was revealed through the Chongang-nok, a book of prophecy written in the 14th century Korean. Number two, among the faithful of every religion in Korea are those who have received revelation that the founders of the religions will return to Korea. And number three, revelation and signs. Acts 2 verse 17 are being given to spiritually attuned Christian, testifying to the second coming of Christ in Korea. They are sprouting in profusion like mushrooms after a fade. So hence many are receiving clear revelations that the Lord will come to Korea. The culmination of all civilization, the spiritual and material civilization level. The spiritual and material aspect of civilization developing from religion and science, which have flourished all over the world, will be embraced and harmonized in Korea. As guided by the new truth, then they will bear fruit in the ideal world of God's deepest desire. Number one, civilization of land. The essence of civilization which develop on the land should bear fruit in Korea. Number two, the essence of civilization born on the shores of rivers and seas should bear fruit in the Pacific civilization, to which Koreas belong. And the last, number three, civilization born out different climate zones should bear fruit in the temperature zone civilization of Eden, which is in Korea. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.